Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are at day 42 of 100 days of cloud by Cloud. In the day 42 task, we are building and managing NoSQL database by using AWS DynamoDB. And here was the task: create a DynamoDB table with DevOps tasks and with a primary key that should be of task ID. And also we need to insert the two information into the DynamoDB table. In the task 1 and the task ID description, the task 2 task tool and the description, and the third step was verify the task 1 has status of completed and the task 2 has the status of in progress. Try to log in using the console URL, search for DynamoDB, manage NoSQL database, create table and the name of the table DevOps tasks, primary key that was task ID and the type was string, create table. Once the creation of table done, we can add the values to the table. Actions, create item, provide the one new attribute, string, description, and the value. Give the task ID one new attribute, string, description, and the value. Learning DynamoDB, again new attribute that was status and completed. Status, create item, this this item was added successfully. If we filter by task ID and the value was 1, run, you're able to see get the output. Now add the another item, value 2, string, description, and the value, build to do app, new attribute, string, status, and it was in progress. Create value, this was also done. We can see two items are added to the table. If we use this jQuery and under that one value 1, click on run, we can see If we give the value to run, and the second one was in progress. Let's check the task. And we are successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.